Bonjour tout le monde! Welcome to Adult French. I am Prashansa, your online French facilitator, where French sounds easy. This is part 2 of lesson 1, Les mots d'accueil. In this, we are going to start the word of politeness. Apprenons des mots de politesse. Let us learn how to be polite. Excusez-moi, madame means excuse me, madam. Excusez-moi, madame. Excuse me, madam. Entre, s'il te plaît. Enter, please. Entre, s'il te plaît. Entre, s'il te plaît. Enter, please. Or, come in. Pardonnez-moi, monsieur. Pardon me, sir. Pardonnez-moi, monsieur. Pardon me, sir. De rien. Je t'en prie. Mention not. I forgive you. Je t'en prie means I forgive you. De rien. Mention not. Or it's okay. Or it's nothing. S'il vous plaît, papa. Please, papa. S'il vous plaît, papa means please, papa. It means to request your father. S'il vous plaît. S'il vous plaît means to say please in formal way. Désolé. Désolé means sorry. Désolé. Désolé. Je suis désolé. I am sorry. Je suis désolé. I am sorry. Oh, ça va. Oh, it's okay. I'm fine. Here, the girl is giving flowers to her teacher and the teacher says, Merci beaucoup. Merci beaucoup. Thank you very much. Then the girl says, Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Il n'y a pas de quoi means nothing. It's nothing. Or mention not. Next, we have lisez ces dialogues. Read these dialogues. Conversation informelle. Conversation informal or informal conversation. Conversation informelle. Dialogue 1. Dialogue 1. Patrick. Salut, comment tu t'appelles? Salut, comment tu t'appelles? I request you to please keep your book in front of you so that you can write the pronunciation spellings, you can write the meanings and take the important notes. Patrick. Patrick says, Salut, hi, comment tu t'appelles? Please repeat after me. Comment tu t'appelles? Comment tu t'appelles? It means, what is your name? Gary. It says, Je m'appelle Gary. Et toi? Je m'appelle Gary. Et toi? And you? Patrick. Je m'appelle Patrick. My name is Patrick. Gary. Au revoir, à bientôt. Goodbye, see you soon. Goodbye, see you soon. Au revoir, à bientôt. See you soon. Patrick. À bientôt. See you soon. Dialogue 2. Lyle. Salut Josh. Hi Josh. Ça va? Are you fine? Josh. Salut. Hi. Oui, ça va. I'm fine. Yes. Oui means yes. Ça va. I'm fine. Lyle. Merci. Tu es gentil. Thank you. You are gentle or you are kind. Merci. Tu es gentil. Josh. Ah, il n'y a pas de quoi. Oh, it's nothing. Or, oh, it's nothing. Or, mention not. Or, mention not. Il n'y a pas de quoi. Conversation formelle. Formal conversation. Conversation formelle. Formal conversation. Dialogue 1. Dialogue 1. Madame Legrand. Bonjour, monsieur. Hello, mister. Or hello, sir. Bonjour, monsieur. Monsieur Gagnier. Bonjour, madame. Comment allez-vous? Comment allez-vous? Bonjour, madame. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Comment allez-vous? Madame Legrand. Je vais bien, merci. I'm fine, thank you. Et vous? And you? Monsieur Gagnier. Très bien. Merci, madame. I'm fine. I'm very fine. Merci, madame. Thank you, madam. Madame Legrand. Entrez, s'il vous plaît. Entrez, s'il vous plaît. Entrez, s'il vous plaît. Enter, please. Or come in, please. Monsieur Gagnier. Merci, madame. Vous êtes gentille. Thank you, madam. You are kind. Merci, madame. Vous êtes gentille. You are kind. Madame Legrand. Ah, de rien. Ah, de rien means you are welcome. So when somebody tells us thank you, in reply we can say de rien. De rien means you are welcome or it's nothing. Let us revise the pronunciations and the meanings. Apprenons. Apprenons means let us learn. Pardonnez-moi. Please repeat the pronunciation après moi, after me. Pardonnez-moi. Pardonnez-moi. Pardon me. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. Excusez-moi. Excuse me. De rien. It's nothing or you are welcome. It's nothing or you are welcome. Je t'en prie. It's okay. I pray for you. You are welcome. Je t'en prie. Je t'en prie. I pray for you. It's okay. Désolé. Sorry. Je suis désolé. I am sorry. Désolé. Boys will write désolé with single E. Girls will write désolé with double E. Next is il n'y a pas de quoi. It's nothing. Mention not. Or you are welcome. Or it also means it doesn't matter. It doesn't matter. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much, or thanks a lot. Merci beaucoup, thank you very much, or thanks a lot. Entre, entre, or entrez, entrez. Okay, you'll say entre, enter please. Tu es gentil. Tu es gentil, you are kind. Tu es gentil, you are kind, which is informal, which is informal. Vous êtes gentil, vous êtes gentil, you are kind, formal. Always remember, wherever you study tu means तुम और तू, this is informal, right? जैसे हम हिंदी में बात करते हैं तुम और तू, we call this with our friends or somebody who is younger to us. So we call it तुम कहाँ जा रहे हो, या तुम बहुत काइंड हो, या तुम बहुत नाइस हो. लाइकवाइज तू बहुत अच्छा है. सो वी विल यूज ट्यू फॉर इनफॉर्मल टर्म्स और somebody who is friends or younger to us. Vous êtes gentil, you are very kind. आप बहुत kind हैं, आप बहुत अच्छे हैं, तो हम हमेशा यूज करेंगे vous. So wherever you read the word tu, it means it is informal. Wherever you see the word vous, it means formal. Vous means आप, tu means तू और तुम. S'il te plaît. Again, here is te means tu ka form te. S'il te plaît, please, informal. S'il vous plaît, please, this is for formal terms. S'il vous plaît, formal. Vous means aap. And te or tu means tum or tu. S'il te plaît, informal, please. S'il vous plaît, formal, please. Next, monsieur. Monsieur means Mr. or Sir, and Messieurs, Messieurs, pronunciation is somewhat same. Messieurs, Sirs or Misters. Madame, Madame or Mesdames, plural form will be Mesdames, Madame or Mesdames. Mademoiselle, Mademoiselle, which is Miss. Mademoiselle, Mademoiselle. Now it's time to recall whatever we have learned till now. Rappelons. Rappelons means to recall. Let us recall what we have learned. Partie 1, Prati grammatical. Practice grammar. Question 1. Cochez la bonne réponse. Choose the correct answer. Question 1. Comment allez-vous? What should be the correct answer for this? Yes. Ça va bien, merci. Et vous? Very good. Question 2. Comment tu t'appelles? C'est bien. Je m'appelle Pierre. Very good. Question 3. Salut, ça va? Hi, are you fine? Oui, you are correct. Salut. Oui, ça va. Hi. Yes, I'm fine. Au revoir, à bientôt. Goodbye, see you soon. What you should reply? So first one means au revoir, goodbye, bonsoir. Goodbye, good evening. And the B option is au revoir, à demain. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Yes. Au revoir, à demain. Goodbye, see you tomorrow. Bonjour, Alain. Option A, bonsoir and bonjour. Good. Bonjour. Question 2. Retrouvez les mots. Unjumble these words. Okay, what word does it make? What do you think? I'm giving you 2 minutes. Please pause the video and think about all the answers. Then I'll write all the answers for you. Here are your answers. Please check the spellings correctly and let me know in the comment section how many answers you wrote correct. Question 3. Mettez le dialogue en ordre. Put the dialogues in order. Let us read, and you will tell me the order in the comment section. Julie Legrand. Okay, it's a name. Bonjour, monsieur. Hello, sir. Yeah, this can be the first sentence to start the conversation. Bonjour, madame. Hello, ma'am. Vous vous appelez comment? Oh, what does it mean? It means, what is your name? Vous vous appelez comment? What is your name? Je m'appelle Christophe Morin. Okay, this can be the reply of the above question. Je m'appelle Christophe Morin. Et vous, madame? Et vous, madame means, and you, madam? Let us write the numbers. So, which is the first sentence? I think this one. Bonjour, monsieur. Then second, bonjour, madame. I'll write here 2. Then, vous vous appelez comment? What is your name? I'll write here 3. Je m'appelle Christophe Morin. I'll write here 4. Then, et vous, madame? Then I'll write 5. And here I will write 6. Yeah, so this is the order. 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So here we are done with lesson 1. Let me know in the comment section if you want to discuss other exercise of the book as well with me. And yeah, subscribe my channel. Stay tuned. Press the bell icon for the new notifications. Au revoir.